Complex aerospace and engineering systems demand a diverse blend of technological, project management, and software expertise within an ever-evolving IT environment. At Systems Strategies and Analysis, we embrace model-based systems engineering principles to craft solutions encompassing everything from initial planning and conceptualization to final deployment and sustainment. Our prowess extends to engineering and spacecraft systems, significantly contributing to lunar missions and beyond, supporting entities such as NASA, the Department of Defense, and NOAA. SSA specializes in creating enterprise-wide, software-intensive systems that seamlessly integrate into existing infrastructures. As a woman-owned enterprise, we're not just innovators, but also educators, offering self-paced online courses in SysML and MBSE. Our expertise covers the entire spectrum of system development, including requirement analysis, design, verification, and validation. We play a crucial role in mission operations, assisting in daily orbit maintenance and maneuver planning for tasks like scheduling, telemetry tracking and control, analysis, and quality assurance. Whether on-site or remotely, our seasoned professionals apply MBSE methodologies to devise cost-effective, comprehensive solutions within the vast technological landscape. Create, build, and integrate dynamic, scalable, and future-ready systems with SSA, Systems Strategies and Analysis.